Imagine a world where your team communication is seamless, efficient, and all in one place. Welcome to Pumble. Send messages and files to team members effortlessly, and never lose track with unlimited message history. Start channels to organize work conversations by topic, and spin off discussions into threads for clarity. Share files, images, and links with your team, making collaboration smoother than ever. Organize video meetings with just one click, or have quick voice calls to keep everyone on the same page. Create meeting links and share them with anyone, even if they don't have a Pumble account. Find any message, no matter when it was sent, with our unlimited search feature. Stay updated with notifications, and use mentions to get attention in group discussions. Integrate with different apps and schedule messages to be sent at the perfect time, without disturbing anyone. Join the countless companies around the world that trust Pumble for their team communication. Start chatting with your team for free, forever.